Did you know a woman in the Bible waited over 60 years for a promise to come true, and she never once stopped believing it would? Her name was Anna. She was a prophetess. She got married, and 7 years later, her husband was gone. Most people would have walked away from God after that. Anna walked toward him. She moved into the temple. She fasted. She prayed. Day after day, year after year, decade after decade. No sign, no timeline, no guarantee anything was still coming. Then one ordinary morning, a poor young couple walked in carrying their newborn son. Everyone else saw just another baby. Anna saw the answer to everything she had been praying for. She recognized Jesus immediately, and she started telling everyone around her about him. 60+ years of faithful waiting, and she did not miss her moment. The real lesson is this: private faithfulness is never wasted. God does not forget what you have been quietly trusting Him for. Your moment is still coming. Do not quit before it arrives.